Hey guys, this is Maria from showysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use the redesigned Instagram Create tab. In redesigned Instagram app, the Create a New Post tab is relocated to the upper right corner of the home screen next to the Direct Messages inbox. Follow these tabs and you will figure out how you can use it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Now find the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen and press on it. Once the new window opens, select whether you want to create a post, a story, record a Reels video, or go live. For example, let's create a post. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use the redesigned Instagram Create tab. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at showysocial.com.